Hi, I'm Suresh GP, founder and managing director of Top Solutions, as well as a global ambassador of DevOps Institute. I have more than 20 years of IT experience, specialized in IT service management, IT governance, agile, DevOps, and business relationship management. Join me on Thursday, the 19th of May, as I will be hosting good e-learning webinar on how to kickstart your SRE journey. In this 60-minute webinar, I would help you to discover what is site reliability engineering and when is it applicable. Learn where to start your site reliability engineering journey. Learn how to build world-class reliability and resilience. Understand some of the key differences between DevOps and site reliability engineering, and also get an opportunity to identify a practical use case of implementing site reliability engineering. In addition to that, you have an opportunity to ask me questions in an exclusive Q&A session at the end of the webinar. So don't miss this chance to gain an in-depth insight. Click on the link and register for free.